Hey loves, welcome or welcome back. This series is all about wearable brights because bold doesn't have to be over the top. If you're new to colour, this is the perfect place to start. Stay until the end to see more shots of the finished look. To begin the eyes, I'm using a light cream shade from Kiko to carve out my brows and add a neutral highlight. Next, I'm applying a lime green shade from this Revolution palette using a large eyeshadow brush, blending it above the crease in sweeping motions and extending it into a soft V shape at the outer corner. Using a smaller tapered brush, I'm layering on this royal blue shade, blending from the crease to create a smooth transition, buffing and blending into the lime green. I'll also extend this shape into the V and outer corner. I'll then use a pencil brush to define and intensify the lower lash line. I'll now go back to the previous brush and blend out the blue for a buffed look. Now I'm taking the same cream shade and applying it to the lid using a short flat brush, blending it softly into the outer corner. Next, I'm picking up this vibrant yellow with a small detail brush and adding a pop of colour to the inner corner. I'll now use this gold shimmer on top to highlight. Using a flat brush, I'm sweeping this silver pink shimmer across the lid for a luminous finish. For a softer take on the classic winged liner, I'm using the Kiko eyeliner to sketch along the top lash line. I'll then go over it with a black eyeshadow and an angled brush to diffuse the edges and create a more blended wing. I'm also using the same eyeliner to tightline both the lower and upper waterlines for added depth. Finally, I'm taking the Kiko liquid liner to draw a precise inner corner point, giving the eyes a lifted feline effect. Before mascara, I'm priming my lashes for extra volume, then applying a volumizing mascara from root to tip. On the lower lashes, I sweep side to side, then comb through. To finish, I'm adding MAC false lashes for lift and drama. Now I'm going to finish off the face by contouring just under the cheekbones, along the bridge and tip of my nose. I'll add a touch of blush to the cheeks, followed by a bit of highlighter on the cheekbones and down the nose for a natural glow. For lips, I'm lining with MAC's Whirl Lip Liner to shape and buffing into the centre of the lips to create an ombre effect. Then I'm applying MAC's Yash Lipstick for a soft nude base, topped with Revolution's Lemonade Glitter Gloss for a high shine glam finish. And that's the final look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give that like button a hug and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so feel free to send it to a friend or reach out for collabs. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and DM me if you have any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.